In this video, I will show how to open Excel file in Google Sheets. So firstly, click on File and save it on your desktop. Now open Chrome browser and log in with your Gmail. Then click on Drive. Now here click on New, File Upload. And select that Excel file. Now complete this downloading process. Then click on Resend. Now here click on these three dots and here open with Google Sheets. So you have this Excel file in Google Sheets. You can make changes here. You see this notice, so click on continue editing and make changes. Some changes will be support. Click on file and here is the option save as Google Sheets. You can download in these options. Now once you save as a Google Sheets, so it will auto convert your Excel to Google Sheets. Another way, in Excel file which you want to convert, click here, this corner. Now Control C, Google Sheets, in Exit or New Worksheet, and just paste it by pressing Control V. So these are two methods, guys, you can apply to convert your Excel sheet into Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you.